Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. We're going to take a look at the dollar daily chart here via UUP. I'm going to give my analysis. I'm also going to go over a recent trade that we took here as well. But in addition to that recent trade, I'm also going to go over the more recent action here so that you guys can have some potentially profitable trading ideas from this video as well. But before we head into this free analysis video, if you're not already a member, what I want you guys to do is visit us on the homepage of the website, thetradinganalyst.com, and really just get to know us better. Because once you get to know us better, you're going to see everything that the service has to offer. You're going to see our current members and what they have to say about the membership. And when you sign up and join today as a premium member, what you're going to get is instant access to the profitable trading alerts that our current members are getting and loving on a daily and weekly basis. I mean, that's why we have, these great reviews, is because of, most importantly, the trades and the analysis that we provide to our clients. So if you're looking for winning trades to be delivered directly to your cell phone in real time, so you can trade from anywhere and so that you're not going to miss a beat in the market ever again in your trading, then this is the opportunity for you. I also wanted to quickly mention that we are raising our prices soon. So if you're interested in the membership, now is the time to do that, because we're seeing a big influx of members coming in, and we want to make that price so that we can keep the community a really tight-knit community and serve everyone at a high level. So again, if you're looking for winning trades delivered directly to your cell phone in real time via text message, and this is for both the buy and the sell alerts, then sign up today. Because if you wait to sign up, you're going to have to pay a much higher price. So take advantage while you still can at these low rates. All right, so let's take a look at the dollar here. And first, I'm going to cover the trade that we took here. And again, guys, this is something that, if you watch the previous videos we've been doing on the dollar for you guys publicly, we've been calling for higher prices on the dollar. So, and this is on our public videos. So we're not just giving this information out to our members. Of course, the actual trade is for members only. When we enter and when we exit is only for members only. But again, we're giving this information out to you guys for free so that you can really see, what it's like. You're really getting a good picture of what it's like to be a member at the Trading Analyst. So let's get into this trade here. We entered in this trade here right around here, and the reason we entered this trade is because, and I'll go over in the trade in more detail, but I want to go over the parameters of why we entered this trade so that you can learn from this. So the reason we entered into this trade is because, we've been trading sideways here a little bit in a very tight range. And if you notice here, we had been making higher highs and higher lows. So here's a high, here's a higher high, and here's a higher high right there. Here's a low, here's a higher low, and then here's another higher low. So we're in this little wedge right here heading higher. We also have this volume point of control that we were coming up to right there, and a break over that would see a really nice breakout. And obviously it did break out really nicely, and that's what we were anticipating, and that's why we entered into the trade. And so the trade that we took was an options trade here. But even if you don't trade options, a lot of our members actually just buy the for example, in this case, buy UUP outright and don't go with the options. But this particular trade was an options trade, and we alerted the June 24 strike calls at 0.20 cents. right there, and we were targeting up here near this previous, and I talked about this in the public video for you guys as well. We were targeting about here at about 24.15 right here, and we didn't quite hit it on this day, and so I wanted to keep it and be patient, and that definitely paid off because we ended up gapping up huge and continuing this breakout, and we actually just exited here at 40 cents. We alerted this sell today at 40 cents for 100% gain on those calls. So really, really nice trade here. We're not one of those services that are going for either the option is going to 0 or 1,000%. We stick to conservative gains here. Obviously, 100% gain is not conservative. I mean, that's a really good gain, but we're not shooting for 1,000%. I mean, does it happen? Yes, it happens, and it's awesome when it does happen. But that's not really the goal. Our goal is to consistently beat the market and consistently make profitable trades from anywhere 30% to 75% is really the average range that we stick to. And our losses are small as well. We're very conservative with our risk versus reward. And we're not out there swinging for the fences, and we're not just taking trades just to take a trade. We're taking quality trades, and we're taking good trades. We're not just putting out alerts just to satisfy people's gambling habits. We're taking quality trades because at the end of the day, these are trades that I'm actually placing myself, okay, in my own account, so that you guys can trust that these are trades that are made by real traders. So I care just as much about the trades for myself as I do for you guys. So that's it for the trade here. It was a really nice trade. As far as the analysis here for the dollar, I'm going to get this out of the way so it doesn't get in our way of our analysis, because we don't care about that anymore. This is still a really nice breakout here, but we're coming into a pretty big resistance. You can see over here, this is the volume point of control for the last year now, over a year, okay? And what does that mean? This is where the most volume has been traded. All right, that's where the most volume has been traded on the dollar, and we're coming right up to it right there. Right now is right where that level is, and that's why we sold our position, is because of that. Now, can we head higher beyond that? Yes, I'm not saying it's going to head lower. I'm just saying this is a level that we're going to have to deal with, and you have to remember that we've been in a downtrend here since the end of 2016. And while we called for a breakout here and we made money on this upside move, you got to remember the main trend here has been down right there. So we've been heading down for about a year and 7 months or something like that. Forgive me if my math is off by a month or two. So you got to remember that's what has been happening here for the dollar. So we're coming into that big resistance. That's really all I have to say about it. You better believe if we break over this level, if we break these highs that we made in December right here, to me that's kind of the signal that I'd be looking for. I'll just raise this resistance up here to about 24.50 on UUP. If we break those highs right there, 24.50, to me that's going to be the signal that the trend is going to continue higher. And as far as next targets, we're targeting near about right there, about 24.75, which is where we kind of got rejected at above that level. So those are the two levels here that I really want to have you guys focus on. Other than that, we'll kind of try to keep you guys updated as far as any kind of signal we get. Right now, there's no signal that we're going to stop. Okay, so until we get that, until we get some kind of reversal signal, kind of like how we did down here. We called for an upside move down here because we had this swift reversal right there, and I talk about that pattern a lot within the membership. But anyways, if we see something like that, but obviously this is a reversal to the upside. If we see some kind of a pattern like that, then we can anticipate a downside move. But up until then, I'm just pointing out some resistances above us that I want you guys to be aware of. So thank you for stopping by. I really hope that you learned a lot from this video, and I hope that you enjoyed that winning trade. And if you want winning trades just like that one, delivered directly to your cell phone in real time, we're handling the analysis, we're handling the charts and all that, and it's sent directly to your cell phone so you can trade at work, in the car. Just don't do it while you're driving, because you'll get a ticket and it's probably dangerous as well. But you can trade from anywhere with these alerts being delivered to your cell phone in real time. And again, it's for both the buys and the sell alerts, just like the one that you saw here for UUP for that 100% gain. So again here, guys, join the premium membership today, because if you wait and try to sign up later, at a later time, you're going to have to pay a much higher price, because we are raising the price very soon here. So take advantage while you can get this low rate here compared to what we're going to raise it to. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the membership.